In a few short months of experimenting, my AI clone has made me over $10,000 without me getting dressed, filming content, and reading scripts on teleprompters. The best part is my clone is helping me to create social media content faster than ever before. And I've even started to create clones for my clients. In fact, right now, you're not watching the real me, you are watching my AI clone, and guess what? A lot of people can't even tell the difference. Check out this comment from a few days ago that said, "I wouldn't have known it was AI talking. This is so good." This opportunity is huge. That's why today I'm going to show you exactly how I built this hyper realistic AI clone step by step using 2 simple tools. And by the end of this video, you will know how to make your own clone that can work for you around the clock. And you do not need to be a software developer or tech expert. You can start doing this as a beginner with no experience. But hurry, because right now we have about 6 to 12 months before everyone catches on to how powerful this technology really is. So the people who learn this skill now are going to have a massive head start. Let's get started with chapter 1. What is an AI clone and why you need one? An AI clone is a digital version of yourself that looks like you, sounds like you, and can speak for you in videos. Think of it like having a twin who never gets tired and never needs a break. This clone can make content while you sleep, while you travel, or while you spend time with your family. The technology behind this has gotten so good that most people cannot tell the difference between a real video and an AI video anymore. I'm curious, what do you think about my clone? Tell me in the comment section below. Because think about it, content is king right now, and the people who make the most video content usually see a big boost in sales. But making videos takes a lot of time, and most of us do not have hours every day to sit in front of a camera. With an AI clone, you can write a script in 5 minutes and have a finished video in 10 minutes. That means you can put out way more content than your competition without burning yourself out. Now, a lot of people learn this skill and think the best way to use it is to grow their own social media, become an influencer, and make money from ads and brand deals. And sure, you can do that, but I have to be honest with you because that is actually one of the slowest ways to make money with AI clones. There is a much bigger opportunity that most people completely overlook, and it is going to be massive heading into 2026. I am going to break down exactly what that opportunity is later in this video, so make sure you keep watching because that part alone could change your entire financial situation. Now that you understand what an AI clone is and why it matters, let me walk you through the exact tools we are going to use to build yours. Chapter 2, the tools you need to build your clone. To build an AI clone that looks and sounds like you, there are 2 main components you need. The first component is the visual part, which is your digital avatar that copies your face, your expressions, and your movements. The second component is the voice part, which is an AI copy of your voice that can say anything you type. When you combine a realistic visual avatar with a cloned voice, you get an AI clone that looks and sounds exactly like you. Now, there are a lot of tools out there that can help you create these components, but my favorite tools and what I personally use are HeyGen and 11 Labs. HeyGen costs around $48 per month for the creator plan, and 11 Labs has a starter plan at $5 per month. So for less than $60 a month total, you can have your own AI clone working for you every single day. Compare that to purchasing video equipment, hiring a videographer, or spending hours recording content yourself, and you can see why this is such a good deal. Both of these tools are really easy to use even if you have never worked with AI before, and I'm going to show you click by click how to set everything up. Sign up using the link in the description below so you can follow along. But before we jump into the tutorial, if we haven't met yet, I'm Sean's clone. Sean is the owner of a $4 million per year social media marketing agency, winning awards like the Inc. 5000 fastest growing companies, Gold High Level SaaS, and many others. And I am here to share his knowledge with you because the truth is there are enough opportunities out there for us all to win. And sharing my knowledge does nothing to impact our wins, and it helps people like you. All I ask is that you like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. All right, let's move on. Chapter 3, creating your visual clone in HeyGen. The first thing you need to do is click the link in the description below and create an account. Using my link earns me a small commission and can be your way of supporting my free videos. Now, once you log in, you will see the main dashboard where all your videos and avatars live. Click on avatars in the left menu, then click create avatar. HeyGen gives you a few different ways to make your avatar, but we want the one called hyper realistic avatar because it creates the most lifelike version of you. Click on that option and then click start with a video to begin the process. Now you will see a screen with recording tips, and this part is really important. You need to record about 2 to 3 minutes of footage of yourself talking naturally to the camera. Make sure you use good lighting because the AI learns from your video and copies what it sees. Natural light from a window works great, or you can use a ring light if you have one. Keep your background simple and clean and make sure no other faces appear in your video. When you record, look straight at the camera and speak at a normal pace. Use natural facial expressions and small hand gestures just like you would when talking to a friend. Do not move your head too fast because the AI needs smooth footage to learn your movements accurately. You can record this footage on your phone or webcam, and HeyGen lets you upload it right from your computer. Make sure your video is at least 1080p resolution for the best quality. Once your video is ready, click upload footage and select your file. HeyGen also needs you to record a short consent video where you give permission to create your avatar. This takes about 30 seconds and keeps the platform safe from people making fake clones of others. After you upload everything, HeyGen will process your footage and create your avatar. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. When it is done, your new avatar will show up in your library and you can start making videos right away. The next step is to make your clone sound like you, and that is where 11 Labs comes in. Chapter 4, cloning your voice with 11 Labs. Now, we need to create a voice that sounds exactly like you, and 11 Labs makes this incredibly easy. Again, you can sign up for an account with my link in the description. Once you log in, click on Voices in the left menu, then click Add a New Voice and select Instant Voice Clone. Now, you need to upload some audio of yourself speaking, and the quality of this audio matters a lot. Record yourself in a quiet room with no background noise or echo. You want about 1 to 2 minutes of clear audio where you speak naturally at a comfortable pace. Do not use music or have other people talking in your recording because that will confuse the AI. You can record this audio on your phone using the Voice Memo app or on your computer using free software like Audacity or GarageBand. Make sure your voice stays consistent throughout the recording. The AI learns your voice patterns, so give it a good example of how you normally sound. Once you have your audio file ready, drag it into the upload box on 11 Labs. Give your voice clone a name so you can find it later. Check the box saying you have permission to clone this voice, then click Add Voice and wait a few seconds while 11 Labs processes your audio. When it is done, your voice clone will appear in your voice library ready to use. You can test it by typing some text and clicking the Generate button. The AI will speak your words in your exact voice, and most people are amazed at how accurate it sounds. Now comes the fun part where we put everything together. Chapter 5, putting it all together to make videos. Now that you have your visual avatar in HeyGen and your voice clone in 11 Labs, it is time to create your first video. Go back to your HeyGen dashboard and click on Create Video. You will see the video editing studio where you can build your content. First, click on the avatar section and select the custom avatar you created earlier. Your face will appear in the video preview on the right side of the screen. Next, we need to add your 11 Labs voice. Here is how you connect your 11 Labs voice to HeyGen. In 11 Labs, go to your profile section and find your API key. Copy this key and then go back to HeyGen. In the voice selection area, you will see an option to connect to 11 Labs. Paste your API key there and your 11 Labs voices will show up as options. Now select your cloned voice from the drop-down menu. Write your script in the text box and HeyGen will use your avatar face with your 11 Labs voice to create the video. Hit the preview button to see how it looks, and when you are happy with it, click Generate and HeyGen will render your final video. The whole process takes about 2 to 4 minutes per minute of video. So a 5-minute video takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes to create. Compare that to filming, editing, and producing a video yourself, which can take hours or even days. But creating videos for yourself is just the beginning because there is an even bigger opportunity waiting for you. Chapter 6, turning this skill into a money-making business. Here's where things get really exciting because the skill you just learned is worth a lot of money to other people. The biggest opportunity right now is with local business owners who are the face of their companies. Think about your dentist, your chiropractor, your real estate agent, your local lawyer, or the guy who owns the gym down the street. These people built their businesses on trust and personal relationships, but most of them are posting boring, generic Canva graphics on their social media that look like everyone else. Here is the problem they all face. People want to see the actual person behind the business before they book an appointment or sign a contract. Nobody connects with a stock photo or a quote graphic, but they do connect with a real face talking directly to them. Local business owners know they should be on camera more, but they are too busy running their business to film content every week. That is exactly where you come in with your AI clone skills. You can start an AI content agency where you create AI clones for local business owners and help them show up on social media every single day without them lifting a finger. I know this works because last month my content agency made over $400,000 in revenue creating short video content for small businesses. This is not some theory I read about online. This is what my agency actually does every single day. Think about a dentist who could post videos about teeth whitening and cavity prevention without ever stepping away from patients. Think about a real estate agent who could send personalized personalized video messages to hundreds of leads without spending all day filming. Think about a chiropractor who could educate people about back pain while they are busy doing adjustments all day. These local business owners will pay good money for someone who can set up their AI clone and create content that actually looks like them. Let me show you the math on this. If you put together a package at $1,000 per month, you would help clients create their avatar, clone their voice, and make videos for them on an ongoing basis. You only need 10 clients at that price to make $10,000 per month in recurring revenue. That is a full-time income from a skill you can learn today. And getting 10 local business owners in your city to say yes is very doable when you show them how different their social media could look with their actual face on it. The beauty of this business model is that once you set up a client's avatar, making videos for them becomes really fast. You can serve multiple clients without working crazy hours with AI systems that keeps everything organized in one place. I use a platform called High Level, which is an all-in-one tool that handles everything my agency needs. High Level lets me schedule and post content for clients, add captions to videos, send messages, manage all my client relationships, and book appointments automatically. When you start getting multiple clients, having a system like this makes the difference between feeling overwhelmed and running a smooth operation. If you want to learn more about building an AI business like this, I put together a free AI business blueprint course that teaches you how to turn these skills into something you can sell to other businesses. The link is in the description below, and I also show you the software I use to run my own agency powered by AI. Also, make sure you watch my video on how to make money with Sora 2 because I break down the full business model there and explain exactly how to get clients and deliver results that keep them paying month after month. The bottom line is this: you now know exactly how to build an AI clone that looks and sounds just like you using HeyGen and 11 Labs. You understand how to record the right footage, clone your voice, and put everything together to make unlimited videos. You also see how this skill can become a real business, helping local business owners show up on social media with their actual face instead of generic posts. Start by creating your own avatar today and making a few test videos. Then think about who in your network might need this service and reach out to them. One conversation could turn into your first paying client and the start of a whole new income stream. Go grab my free AI business blueprint in the description below and take your first step toward building something amazing. Coming up next, check out my videos on how to make money with Sora AI, and I'll see you over there.